Alright, super quick broadcast today. I'm in the office getting Archimedes up and running for Maker Faire this week. Time is short and I am pulling some ridiculous hours, but I just got a cool part of his brain working, and so if you're not familiar, Archimedes is my robot owl friend. And there's a little bit of delay on the video here, so I'm hoping it doesn't diffuse the effect of this cool thing I'm doing. But, so Chirp.io is a data over audio protocol, and it allows you to communicate with other devices without internet, without any wireless technology except for audio, which is super cool. It is encrypted, so I think that it has good security, although I think any device will be able to decode what you're sending. I could be wrong on that. Anyway, it sounds like R2-D2, and this is how it works. I've just gotten it up and running with the Matrix voice here. Yeah, this is very laggy, unfortunately, but hopefully you'll be able to see how quick it is. So I'm going to send blue on here using the Chirp app, and oh yeah, first I have to make the receive script start going on the Pi that is connected to the Matrix voice. So I'm just going to say Python 3, and then Chirpy is the directory where I have my scripts saved. That's Chirp and Python. And then the example receive.py code, which I have grabbed off of a tutorial that I'll show you in a second. So I run this script, and it'll start telling me that it's receiving data. Okay, now it's listening. So now I get to send this blue message. And instantly, basically, the LEDs turn on. Let me do this again so I can show the timing a little better. I'm typing in green, and I'm going to position this so that you can see both things really easily. And if you watch the webcam video, then you'll see that basically as soon as like the audio completes, it instantly turns to green, which is fantastic. And then if I want to turn the LEDs off, I can just send black, and it turns off. Beautiful. So this is what I'm excited about right now. If you want to learn how to do stuff like this, I'm going to actually stop this, boop. And if you want to learn how to do stuff like this, then check out the tutorial that the Matrix Labs team has just published on Hackster. That's the admin bar. Matrix Voice and Matrix Creator running Chirp. It is currently featured. I think it's on our front page, and it's very exciting. So I grabbed this code for receive.py from here, which is at the bottom of the tutorial. And the tutorial shows you everything that you need in order to get this set up and running. I've got it going on a Raspberry Pi Zero W connected to the Matrix voice, and it's super fast and great. So even someone who's really wary of software, not great with it, it was not that hard. It really was not. This tutorial is great, and I'm excited to be able to use Python with it because I've already written some robotic animations for Archie in Python that were previously already responding to Chirp, and so now I can just adapt those to work with this code, and it's going to be super simple and awesome! I'm excited. In fact, the things I'm going to be sending to him are little emojis, and then he's going to respond to ones that are like owl emoji and then happy emoji with like a little happy animation and stuff. It's going to be super cute. And then someday he'll be able to talk back, but right now there's an issue with getting the sound out of the Raspberry Pi because unfortunately the speaker controls connection on the voice is not set up to do the kind of 16 kilohertz mono audio out thing that is required for this. But oh yeah, and doing sound out of the Pi Zero is also apparently a giant pain, but I'm hoping to adapt a module for that. This thing, the WTV020M01, which may or may not actually be able to produce this type of sound file either, but we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching, have a great rest of your weekend.